Hi, all pageant enthusiasts. Today I'm going to talk to you about the talent round. Most of the pageants which happen have a very special round which is termed as talent round. Now, what is talent round? In talent round, they want to see how creative or how good you are. So, everybody, believe me, has a talent. It's not necessary that everyone can sing. It's not necessary that everyone can dance, everyone can recite a poem, write a poem, or anyone can be a gymnast or any such thing. But God has given one unique kind of a talent to everyone. And normally by the time you come to this age, you realize what you are good at. So some people may be very good with singing, some people with dancing, as I just said. So when they talk about the talent round, that just doesn't mean that picking up any film song and just dancing on it. When they say about singing, it just doesn't mean pick up any song and just sing it. Okay, fine, you may be in your sur, you may be in your tal, but where is the creativity? You are copying someone else. That's not talent. And I very well remember that I was there at one of the pageants where this girl came on stage with a national flag to show her talent, and she started singing national anthem. And we all had to get up in respect of national anthem. That's fine. But singing a national anthem is not a talent. So please, just put a little thought on knowing what exactly is talent. A talent is something where you can show your side of the story. So even if you're picking up a song from a Bollywood film or a Hollywood film, fine. Pick up a song which has a story. Create a medley of a story around your song. Or maybe if it's some dance, pick up some story in your dance which has a message. Or pick up some special art of dancing. Maybe it could be a Kathak, it could be Bharatnatyam, it could be Odissi, but again with a story. You get brownie marks if you actually have a story when you are doing your talent. It's just not as simple, it's not as simple as everybody thinks it is. And a lot of people just come, okay, I see a lot of contestants who are from Punjab, they'll come and perform a Bhangra. Okay, there may be some people who are coming from, let's say, northeast states, and they come and perform their bamboo dance. Now, whatever is from that particular state, and you're born and brought up in there, you've seen it from your childhood, and you're doing it, it's in your genes, again is not talent. So what is talent? Talent is something where you put in your 100% and you create a story around it. It could be a message on women empowerment, it could be a message on pollution, it could be a message on saving the planet, it could be a message on education, anything. There is no dearth of topics which you can pick up for your talent round. So weave a story around your song or around your dance, and if you think that you're good with creative writing, you can create or you can write a story. Storytelling is also a talent. But how do you narrate that story? How do you engage people with that story is very, very important. Then another thing a lot of girls I see they perform is maybe specific gymnastic kind of moves, or maybe a kind of a juggling, or maybe magic, or maybe they have written a poem and they want to recite it, or maybe you're good in acting, so you're doing a mono acting. So again, whatever you are doing, try and have a message. But most important thing is, whatever you are doing, remember that your talent round must finish within 1.5 to 2 minutes. If you exceed your time limit, you will be losing on your points. So try to stick to the time between 1.5 to 2 minutes. And as you keep performing, you would know exactly how much time it will take for you to finish it. Because when you are doing a talent round there would be somebody who will ring a bell couple of seconds before your time runs out, and that should be a warning for you to stop there and then. And talent also means that instantly just get into that dress, or maybe if you're wanting to dance, you can just quickly pull on something on top of your dress so that instantly you get into that mode of your talent. Just don't be in just one garment doing everything, your talent in that garment, your walk in that garment, your introduction in that garment. No, talent means that you're well prepared with your accessories, you're well prepared with your props and anything. So just see to it that you perform well in your talent, because it does carry a lot of marks. And in case you become mistalented, it could again be very, very helpful to you in your finale. It will give you better marks in finale. So think about it, create a great talent for yourself, start working on it right from today itself. First find out what exactly you want to do, create a story and start working on it. And I will see you very again with another topic on this channel about beauty pageant tutorials. And in case you have any questions and you want to get in touch with me, I would be leaving my email ID right under here, or you can join me on my Insta, or you can join me on my Facebook, or you can send me a tweet, or you can send me a message on LinkedIn. I'm everywhere. So if you just send me a message, I'll try my best to answer your question. And again, till next time, till I see you, all the very best. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And if you've done it, thank you very much. And if you think my video will be helpful to someone else, please do like and share. Sayonara.